Ox ba yung 1,000:1 na leverage? So, hindi po yan sa laki ng leverage. It's in the right combination of your position size versus your leverage. So, meaning to say, kung 1,000x ang leverage mo, dapat yung margin mo mas mababa. Kung 10x lang yung margin mo, kung 10x lang yung leverage mo, pwede kang mas mataas na margin. Nahuhuli. So, nandun po sa proper combination. A lot of people natatakot dun sa malaking leverage. Diba? 125x nakakatakot. You know, that's similar kung magte-10x ka tapos malaki yung margin mo. So, ang gagawin mo, kung mas malaki yung leverage mo, liitan mo yung margin para malayo yung liquidation price mo. That's the proper way to do it. Hindi po yan sa laki ng leverage. That's the common misconception. That's why yan po yung tinuturo natin dito sa GTF natin, yung grinding the futures. Right combination of position size and leverage. Cross versus isolated. Ano ba ginagamit mo? Nagko-cross ka ba? Nag-isolated ka ba? Bakit? Ano ba advantage ng cross? Ano ba advantage ng isolated? Lahat po yan tinuro natin dito sa GTF. Kaya kung na-liquidate kayo, try to consider watching this. 1950 nakasale yan, 20% off pa. Follow for more Tito Moves!